Hi friends, we are exploring the ideas and solutions through which you can start your own digital business. In this video, I am going to show you a perfect solution for visitor pass management. Every business needs this solution and you can start this solution as SaaS business and it is going to be a earning model forever and for you. You are going to own the system. You can provide the system to requisite spaces, places, and the organizations, of course. So I'm going to show you all the interface, how you can manage the system and how you can onboard the system, how you can own the system. So watch this video until the end and it is going to be a very perfect model for earning, online earning for you. So let us go to the dashboard. First of all, I'll show you the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard and this is going to be very interactive for all the users and even for visitors at the premise. So the system can work in a multiple mode, like a visitor is already having an appointment and visitor already been in the premise and the check-in and the QR code scan and all this. So this can be a landing page. And if we talk about the admin dashboard, the visitor ID and the checkout is very prominently shown here so that the check-in and checkout system goes very fine. Further, the users of this system, like if you are administrator of the system, you can sell this solution to the business who needs this visitor pass management system, and through clock-in, the timing can be started like this and it is very simple to use solution. So let us see all the screens to understand the system perfectly. This is a dashboard and dashboard is showing how many visitors are currently in the system and in the premise actually. So you can take actions. Visitors are having ID card and this is the ID card model, and this solution also offers the visitor card ID card printing solution. So I'll show you everything. So this is detail about the visitors and you can the user can directly send the WhatsApp and reject the WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp solution through which the directly integrated to the system and the messages can be sent to the visitors directly. So dashboard is here and all the visitors can be seen here. And if we talk about the profile, this is admin profile and this is of course for admin interface. Suppose you are the admin, this is your profile. You can change everything like the basic parameters, basic credentials for the admin. Departments you can set, like there might be different departments in a office, in a premise. So service marketing are such departments. You can add or edit the existing departments as well. It is very simple to use. Designation, similarly, you can add designation throughout the system and who are going and coming in the office for which this system is working. It is also like a attendance management system, or you can say who is coming in the office can be maintained through this system. So all the designation can be created. You can add in the number of designation as per your requirement. And if it is about employees, all the employees within the office, within the company can be added here, and further they can reach office and check in the system according to their need, and like visitor pass ID or checkout and all such things are here. So you can add all employees and edit the existing one. These are some parameters. These are some information that you can add for creating any employee. Now, this is visitors screen. Who are the visitors who are coming and what is the status of those visitors? Like visitor status can be changed or accepted or rejected. Visitor can be seen who are visiting the premise and sent WhatsApp. So as I shown you. Pre-registrations, like for already having appointment, pre-registration can be made. Like this is a pre-registration for certain date and I can show you how it looks. And this is very simple since it is a simple solution, but yes, it is really effective and required solution for every business. So pre-registration can be done for like pre-appointment system for visiting the place. And you can add pre-registration like this is the first name, last name, email address, gender, and the expected date, expected time, and all such details can be filled, and pre-registration can be made. And if we are using the system as for attendance management, it is very simple. Again, with all the employees can be seen here, and the clock-in is here. So when the company starts working on a particular day, clock-in can be started, and further the employees are here, and the attendance can be seen here who is already checked in. So working office, and all the details of employees who are in the premise can be seen here. Report. So visitor report can be extracted from date. So select a date range, and so I don't think there is data, but yes, it can be seen. And the pre-register reports can be generated. Attendance report can be generated. So it is more like a visitor management and attendance management system. So it is a complete solution. And for administrators, like you are administrator, you can create any number of administrator. Like in addition to you can have more administrator. You can add new administrator in the system. So this is the administrator adding a screen. And you can also decide the role, like who is the user of the system, what are the roles like admin, employee, or reception. So I'll show you other screens as well, so that you may be very clear about the system. You can change the language, and you can have the add-ons as well. So some add-ons are available. So this is a script-based solution, and you can have the add-on as well. I'm going to show you which script this is. And the first time you have to make some settings, like if you are using the system as an app, you have to set the Firebase and the SMS setting, the notifications, and the general setting, like what you want to. This you can completely white label the systems. You can change the logo, change the name, and all the details that is visible on the screen. So if we are here, so all the details can be changed, and the interface will be like this. So this is an interface, and again, a scan QR can be generated, and the check-in for the check-in can be done here direct. Like if it is employee, so employee can be directly checked in from here, or even QR code scan option can be used. So have appointment already been before, and the employee for reception, like if the system is installed at, this is a web-based solution. It does not require any installation. It is a web-based application software. So if it is being used at reception, the receptionist can check in all, or you can have this solution in automated mode, like QR code scan and all. So it is totally configurable. You can use the system in a flexible way at the organization, and you can offer these solutions to the requisite places where the system is required. So you can add this system to multiple places, and you are going to be the super admin, and you are going to earn through this solution. Now I'm going to show you the reception screen, how the system works at reception. So how receptionist is going to use the system, I'm going to show you. So this is the screen for a reception, and again it is almost same, but yes, it has the less feature. Like receptionist can manage the dashboard. I can see the basic report at the dashboard, manage his or her profile, and directly use the employees screen for check-in and check-out. So employees can be seen here, and for the ID card can be printed, or the QR code can be directly downloaded here. So employee can print the ID card through the receptionist, and the ID card is going to help us for check-in, like ID card ID will be used for check-in, or QR code. So if it is being downloaded, directly QR code can be downloaded. So download the HTML will be here, and QR code can be downloaded. I'll show you. And further, if it is being managed for visitors, the receptionist can add new visitors, and who is inside the premise can be seen here, and the receptionist can add new visitors and register new visitors for visiting in the office. And if it is pre-registration, if appointment is already there, so it can be seen here who are coming, or who is going to meet, and whom going to meet. So it can be seen here. Like this is the address, name, email address, employee, whom it is going to meet, and the expected time and all this system. So it is very easy to use. And as I said, WhatsApp can be sent directly. Now, I'm going to show you the screen for employee. So if it is attendance management system, so employee can have the I login and employee can mark their entry to the system here. Like visitor ID is always here and checkout can be used. And the total visitors can be seen. The visitors are here for the particular employee. This is the report for particular employee who is going to meet him. So this is an employee and pre-registration can be here. Employee can change the profile as well. So it is a complete solution for visitor management and the attendance management, employee attendance management. Yes. So which is the solution? And solution name is Quick Pass, and it is a visitor management system, and all kind of company or business organization may need this solution. SMS gateway available. Users can register visitors, pre-register visitors, log visitors, check-in and check-out, employee check-in, and all such features are already included. Like these are some features that we can note here what is available in the system, like self check-in and check-out, pre-registration, visitor recognition, unlimited visitors and hosts, email, SMS notification, agreement signing, and ID card printing. So these are the basic and most important feature that is available in the system. And the script, this is of course a script, and you can have this and you don't need any technical knowledge for starting this solution as your digital business. You can directly buy the script, install at your hosting, and start this solution immediately. And the script is available at codecanyon.net through the video description link. And if you don't have any specific computer knowledge, however, you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. You just need a basic computer knowledge for installing the system. The script comes with documentation that can help you in installing the system. And if you have any trouble, if you wish we can do this for you for free, don't worry. You just need to buy the solution through the video description link, and it is going to be super easy to start a digital business for visitor gate pass system, admin panel, website, employee app, and all. So it comes with employee app as well. So you can have the employee app as well. So you can explore the link given in the video description. This solution can offer you website front end, admin panel, and the app as well. So it is very good, and the cost is just $79. So within $110 you are going to get this complete solution, including the hosting and all. So this can be a very good start for your digital business, and I believe you like this system. It is very good working as I shown you, and you can explore this system at your own. You can ask us to install for you just for testing purpose. Yes, we can do this. So let us connect through the links given in the video description, and it is going to be yours. The system is completely for you, and you can use this system from day one. You don't need any very technical knowledge for this. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions through which you can start your own digital business and start your earning. Till then, goodbye, keep building. Thank you.